Working, I think.
Wait.
We're live. It worked. Okay, so here we go. Number one rule. Boys.
Quiet. Shut up.
Here we go. So today is 4/29/19. So our objective is we're going to talk about interior and exterior angles of triangles. We're pretty clear on what the interior angle theorem says, okay? We already know this one, okay? That the sum of the interior angles of a triangle are 180 degrees, okay? Now we know this, so this should be a pretty easy lesson, okay? Something I'm not teaching anything new, but I do want to show you, for example, in the first example, A. I like the whole idea about this 90 because this is going to make it easy, okay? And I'll let you catch up, let you write that. So my objective is interior and exterior angles of triangles. We're going to find. And then my theorem is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle are 180 degrees. Okay, you guys caught up yet? So, in example 1, I know that angle A plus 42 plus 90 equals 180, right? Simple. So I can add these two, and I can go angle A plus 132 equals 180, right? All three angles add up to 180. This is not hard. Everybody good? I mean, this is simple. You right? Minus 132, minus 132. What's that? 58? 48. 48 degrees, okay? Now, there's a faster way to do this one. And it looks like Isaac already did it. The faster way is to recognize that the 90 has already been used. So if I take the 90 away, then these two angles have to add up to 90, okay? So these two angles are complementary. Complementary is a word that means two angles whose sum is 90. That's the word complementary. The word supplementary means 180, okay? So in this case, Isaac just skipped what we did. He went straight to, gosh, I can do this much faster. And Isaac just went 90 minus 42, because these two angles have to add up to 90. Boom, 48 again, right? Whichever is easiest for me, but for me, personally, when I see these two, I just subtract from 90. Much faster. Thumbs up, sideways, where are you at? Okay, should be. Okay, now, example 2, we're going to have to add them up, right? Subtract from 180. So I know that angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus the sum of these two, 61 plus 73, right? That's the fast way. I know that I'll add these two up and subtract from 180. Add these two up, subtract from 180. So even on my calculator, I can do it on my calculator, make it super easy for me. 180 minus parentheses, 61 plus 73, and I get an answer of 46. Angle B is 46. Now when you see this little M here, okay, I want everybody for a moment to look up. Everybody look up. Because you've seen this M before. It stands for, everybody look up. You've seen this little M before, haven't you? It just means measure. The measure of angle B. That's all it means, this little M. There's no point M in there. There's no M. I guess I don't see an M at all, right? It just means measure. Measure of angle B. And what is the measure of angle B? 46 degrees. So don't let that little M bother you, okay? 46 degrees.
Write that down on test questions.
No, I wouldn't count you wrong. But if you see it as a question, don't freak out, right?
Okay.
If you see the little M, you know, hey, Mr. Davies asking for the measure of that angle, right? Okay, because I know that bothers some kids like, I don't get this. What's this M, Mr. Davies? I'm like, well, okay, I told you, but it's all right. Okay, example 3. Well, I can go 180 is equal to 90 plus 2x plus 3x, but I think it'd be easier just to straightly go to the 90, right? I can say, okay, that the 2x plus the 3x plus 5 has to equal the 90. Hi, Miss Hesse. Okay, you guys agree with that? They have to add up to 90 because they're complementary. So let's solve. 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 5 equals 90.
Subtract 5.
Minus 5, minus 5.
Divide by
5x equals
17.
85. 17, right? Yeah. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X is 17. Am I going too fast?
Fucking chug.
Okay. Isaac's right. If I know this is 17, let's plug it in. So angle A is simply going to be 2 times 17, which is a 34-degree angle. And angle B, plug in the 17, right? And it's going to be a 3 times 17, which is 51, I think. So I think I get 56 degrees, okay? Thumbs up? Okay, this is nothing new. You guys know this, correct? Okay, return the page?
Return the page?
I hope not. Let's take a look at it. You're way ahead. Okay, exterior angle theorem. Let's draw a picture, okay? Draw a picture.
Of like what kind of triangle?
Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Draw a picture, okay? Draw that picture right there, okay?
I kind of assumed on how to do
Now,
it.
here's what happens. Watch this. These angles, 1 plus 2 will always equal 4. 1 plus 2 will always equal 4. So, we call it the remote. We'll say the remote interior, the remote interior add to equal the exterior angle. So when it means remote, it's the one away from it. If this is my exterior angle, and these two are away from it, they're remote. Okay, here's angle 4, it's the exterior angle. These are my two remote. So if I go angle 1 plus angle 2, so I should be able to say the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 will equal the measure of angle 4. Okay, I'm going to highlight that.
2 plus 3 equal 4?
2 plus 3 will not equal 4, no.
Only one on the other side.
Yes, yes, but yeah, very good. If I drew that one, yeah, absolutely. And it makes sense. If you want to listen, it makes a lot of sense because 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 180. I'll say again, 1 plus 2 plus 3 makes 180, doesn't it?
Can't you just
And
subtract
3
that?
plus 4 has to equal 180. So then 1 plus 2 would have to equal 4. Okay. Yeah.
Can't you all add them up or add the angles that are together and then subtract it
Yep.
by 90 and find that angle
Yep.
and then subtract that angle from
Yep,
180?
yep, absolutely. But this is faster. So find the measure of the exterior angle and the interior angle. So here's what I'm going to do. I want to find angle BCD. So let's find first the measure of angle BCD. That's
So then 1 plus 3 equal 1 going off at the top.
totally right. Way ahead of me. Nice job, Autumn. Totally right. So in this case, I'm going to say that angle A plus the measure of angle B is equal to the measure of angle BCD. Okay, so let me highlight what I'm talking about. So what I'm saying is this, that angle A plus angle B equals angle BCD. So I'm just going to say 48 plus 81 will equal the measure of angle BCD, which is, what's that, 129, is that right? You got 129?
What? Yeah, I got
129 is this angle here, 129 degrees. And then to get my angle C, which I'll highlight so you can see it, how many degrees in a straight line? 180, right? So to get angle C, or in this case, if I wanted the measure of angle ACB, ACB is this angle right there. That's that angle. ACB is just going to be 180 minus 129 And I get an answer of 51. Not hard at all, is it?
Your hockey ways
I know,
more complicated
finally.
than mine.
Oh, I did do the same problem. Autumn, I meant to do it differently, doggone it. I won't do this one. Darn it. I meant to draw a different triangle. You were right. I was in a hurry this morning because of the darn...
Solid.
Well, the fire alarm. I mean, I was like scrambling
That was
because I thought I had plenty of time to make this up, and then I
I bet it
lost
smelled like bacon, huh?
half my